Okay. Hello, guys. Good day. Good afternoon, morning, evening, night, anywhere you are watching this broadcast from. I remain your friend, your brother, Ambassador Collins Osagie. Today, no music, because I just want to quickly go straight to the point very fast. Thank you guys for subscribing to Collins God Pikin on YouTube. Thank you for following me on Instagram. Thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for showing love. Thank you for all what you have done, and thank you for what you are still going to do. May the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Please, guys, Okoro virus is real. Do make sure that you take off your family, you take off your kids, you take off your environment. Don't say that because you are black that it will not get to you. Take care of yourself, and if you take care of yourself, I believe that it will not get to us in Jesus' name. Amen. Please, guys, kindly share this video and God will bless you. Before I go straight to my topic today, let me quickly say thank you for your support towards our campaign or our ambition to become Edo State Governor. Please support John Osagie for governor. Tell your people that this man is a good man. Most of you, I believe that most of you saw what happened in our office, a God sent office today. If we can solve so many problems like that, if we can solve so many issues like that, when we become a governor of Edo State, we will do more. We will do more and more. You understand? So please, guys, please, I beg in the name of God, John Osagie is not your enemy. Ambassador John Osagie is your friend. For so many of you who are fighting me, who are using fake accounts to fight me, who are using real accounts to fight me, who are telling me that, come, go find work, go sit down, this, John Osagie na this, John Osagie na this, John Osagie na this. I want to tell you one thing, guys. I love you all. You understand? If you insult my enemy, you insult my family's enemy, no problem. But that is one thing I know, and that is one thing I believe. I will keep on supporting Ambassador John Osagie. Come rain, come sun, come anytime. I will keep on supporting him because I know that he is a good man, and I know that he is the only man that can liberate Edo State from the bondage that we are in today. You understand? Either you believe it or you leave it, I don't give a fuck. It's my decision, it's my opinion, and that is what I believe, and that is the only man I believe in. I believe about John Osagie so much. You understand? Because so many persons have been sending me message, so many persons have been fighting me, so many persons have been insulting me, so many persons have been using my enemy pictures for nonsense. Please, me supporting Ambassador John Osagie for him to come and give me money. I don't need his money. I'm okay. I'm no longer in Edo State. I'm no longer in Africa. I'm not in Europe. So I believe that by the grace of God, I'm sorry, guys, the God that have brought me here, He will surely guide me. You understand? So I'm not lacking, and I'm not begging anybody for anything. I'm just supporting John Osagie from my mind, from my heart. You understand? Because so many persons, you are saying different things with some of you are using fake account. Some of you are saying that for Osagie to notice me, this, that, and that. See, let me tell you something. What I'm doing, I'm not doing it for Osagie. I'm doing it for Edo State. I'm doing it for my people. My people are suffering. My people are dying. My people are hungry. Just take a look at what have been happening in Edo State. Take a look at what have been happening in Nigeria. If you are saying that I don't come for that country, e no concern me again. I no dey that country again. No forget say your family dey there. No forget say your pa dey there. No forget say your ma dey there. No forget say your brothers and sisters dey there. No forget say your children dey there. We all know where for dey come. We all know say that country, that Edo state, e get as e be, and we need Messiah. Good hearts like Ambassador Dion Osagie. This thing I'm doing, nobody pay me. Dion Osagie not pay me, and I don't want anybody to pay me. If this is what I will contribute to his growth, to his success, is okay. If this is what I will contribute to for him to become a governor of Edo State, it is fine. It is good. You understand? So please, we want Edo State to change for good. We want Nigeria to change for good. Just take a look at yourself. As the state be now, your people even say they don't turn to burden to you. Every time now, they call you say, bring money, send money come, send money come, send money come, send money come. Every time. Because why? Our state not good. Because why? Our country not good. Then when I see man like Ambassador Dion Osagie, when he come and say, okay, I want contest, I want fight all this political cabal, I want to say, no, it's the time to take it back. Una they criticize the enemy. Me when they support them, una they insult my enemy, una they bring my picture, come out, they write rubbish they put, una they send me stupid message with fake account, una they, how long want to live like that? For how long want to live like that? If una see person where they support Ambassador Dion Osagie, una go they insult the enemy, una go they write arrow happy for the person enemy picture. You when help, that is the question when I ask, who you help? Just pick one person for street, say, this person, I want change your life. As government don't change your life for this abroad one day so, for this Europe one day so. May you still go out there, go change person life, go change one person life for that Edo State. Who you help? That is the question I keep on asking. You when they criticize about the Dion Osagie, say na thief, na scam, na this, na that. Who you help? It's just answer me. It's okay. I don't help one person or I don't help two persons. Then you give me the person address. I go confirm. I go same person go. They go confirm. Say yes, truly you help that person. Who you help? Why we say some black person's mind is full of evil? Some black person's mind is full of to bring their fellow brothers down. Is full of to bring their fellow sisters down. Why? How long you want to continue like that? Because you want to get 1,000 viewers, because you want to get 200 viewers, because you want to get 500 viewers, you they bring your brothers down, you they bring your sisters down. If you see who they climb up, you go come out the ladder, make the person fall, break waist. For how long we want to continue like that? People that is really dry food, I don't understand that. Prince Sonny, I don't understand that. Obarichi, bro, what do you know about? Okay, you said you asked a question, Obarichi. If I don't know Dion Osagie, and if I don't know much about Dion Osagie, I know they come out every day say support Dion Osagie. I believe I don't Obarichi, because I know that you are still a presenter. You understand? I believe I don't answer your question. If I don't know Dion Osagie, if I don't believe in Dion Osagie, I know will come and they talk about Dion Osagie. You will ask me, say, what thing I know about Dion Osagie? You Obarichi, I want to ask you a question. You don't see Dion Osagie one-on-one before. You and Dion Osagie don't eat together before. You and Dion Osagie don't discuss together before. No, they believe what people they tell you about that guy. They say in a way a mama so can bo or we are tell you. Now because say money no day, Now make person go talk say small start the bitter because he not get me to afford that small start. He go say small start the bitter. That is just the truth. People they tell you again na this, na that, na the other one, na the other one. Okay, we agree. Everything we wanna talk, okay, we agree. But make una still go do that thing to help una people. Make una still go do that thing to help una society. Make una still go do that thing to help una family, una papa, una. Most of una now, una papa, una mama, they suffer. They root garri for village. Most of una when they criticize John Osage, say, go and sit down, you are a criminal, you are a this, you are this. Most of una now, una no even feel help una mama, una no feel help una papa, una no feel help una family. Una go come out, una see person when they do good work, una see person when they join up by the repair states. Una go come out, they talk rubbish. Some of them go they talk like say foul shit. They just come and just talk. Yeah, what I so I say, who be this one? Oh, this one help. Who this one help? Can you donate 5,000 to take help somebody? Can you donate 20,000 to take help somebody? You fit donate 5,000. Say okay, madam, just take this 5,000. I dash you. You fit do one. Una when they talk say, man, please, I don't want to talk to the enemies. But one thing I want to tell you and say, John Osage is not the problem of Edo State. John Osage is just trying to. You understand? If you know John Osage, if you know his background, let me review some secrets. John Osage, na person will be say, if Papa don't do for grand for him, before Papa die, Papa don't do for grand for him. If Papa not be poor man before he die. John Osage Papa not be poor man before he die. I'm just telling you guys the truth. Person will enter America at a tender age, 19 enter America. You understand? If Papa not be pushed over. Even the guy himself don't use his hand take get property from your own sweat. From your own sweat. So that is why sometimes if people just they talk rubbish, they talk anyhow, John Osage na thief, John Osage na scam, I just they laugh. We don't know what they talk to. How much you want thief? How much you want scam? 10,000 when one of the say they donate for Godsend Foundation, or 20,000, or 50,000, or 100,000. Now be waiting one scam, now be waiting one thief. If not be say some of una they stupid. If not be say some of una be mumu. Una they see what they use that money they do. Una they see and say they give the money to all those women. Una they see and say they give the money to all those men. Una they see and say they give the money to take the help all those people for that office there. Which one of una will fit come out now come talk say, I give them Osage money, or I donate money, or I pledge money, I can't pay the money, say me take help so woman for this case, or so man for this case. That man, he not use that take help man. He not give that man the money, he not give that woman the money. How many of una go fit talk am? How many of una go fit talk am? He not there. But una to just dey criticize that innocent man, to dey criticize that innocent man. And now can't forget, say, since one they criticize him, the man they fresh, the man they move forward, the man they fat, they robust, they enjoy. Suburban chief, the double chief. Una criticize. They give him first chief session title. Una criticize. They give him second chief session title. Una see they talk. Now the third chieftaincy title or the fourth or the fifth chieftaincy title, now they go give her now. Because of John Osage matter. Some of una, if una husband come and say may sleep with una want to see time again because una want to show me that the right rubbish about John Osage. If una wife tell una say, only come bed, I need you. You say no, leave me first because me you want right rubbish about John Osage. Even some of una go put food for una put food for fire because of John Osage, the food go burn. Una children, some of our children no even they go school again because John Osage matter. And that ambassador John Osage matter, now go kill una head. Now it go break una neck. If una not change, if una not come on hand, una hand go cut follow on. That's so it go be. You understand? Yeah, my brother, let me tell you something. Nicholas, even though say na one person dey look me, even though say nobody dey even dey look me now, wetin I dey talk, I go talk am till that minute or that 1 hour or that 30 minutes when I wan take stop don reach, then I go stop. Forget say 25 person dey before, e come make that 11 person, no problem. I say, oh God, this one no know me, oh. Una never know me. Even though say na one person, even though say nobody dey even dey look me, wetin I go dey talk, I go talk am. If I talk am finish, I go leave am there. Who like later he look, who like me no still look. That is me. And not be all those fake presenters wey be say because of 200 views, because of 1000 views, they dey fool themselves, they talk wetin they not supposed to talk. Just ask yourself one question. All those people wey dey see all those 1000 viewers, 200 viewers, wetin dem dey talk, wetin una dey learn from inside. I just sleep with that woman. That woman also dey smell. That woman no dey baff. That woman na this. That woman I saw boys dey sleep with her. That woman na that one I go to and wan learn. This is why so many of our people are so stupid. Because wetin go dey make sense, wetin how we wan take change our country, many of them no dey give attention to am. Na rubbish talk. I be Kokobiri vandalizer. Kokobiri don vandalize that woman. That woman na stupid woman. That's why I sleep with that woman, sleep with that woman. She come dey shout, hey, my waist, my belly, my waist, my rubbish talk. Rubbish talk. Rubbish talk. You go see my people there, they go gather there like bees. Like bees. They go gather there. Though the rats, they gather there, they call, yes, so that woman is a stupid woman. That woman is a useless woman. That woman is so. When your own, always why you can. Your own are big. Your own big way for your body. But you go straight for the bring your brother down. Now then you come wrong, go the comment. Yes, so yes. Though, how long will continue like that? Come, problem full there. You go see some guests now, they go naked they dance. You come see viewers go gather there because now want see waiting on matter born now. Una wan see wetin una never see once. You can't see all those married men, married women. You see them. All of them go they look. Yeah, you dance well. You are a fantastic dancer. I love the way you dance. Mamma mia. Cake this shit. Cake castle. I don't understand the problem of some of my people. Some of them just enter Europe because of the free Wi-Fi which some of them they use. Una just they run from one platform where they talk rubbish to the other. One platform where they talk rubbish. One platform where they bring your own Benin brother, your own Benin sister down. You go sit down there, you they comment. Yes, so that's what you do. That's what. How long are we going to continue like this? That platform where you they go, when you go they gather, they write all those rubbish. Why we not fit get that time? Take plan as we'll take them back. Take plan as we'll take put the right person for position for those states. Why we not plan as we'll take support Osage to become the next governor? Huh? Yes, Esther Imade, God bless you. Continue your good talk. Don't mind all these comments. Yes, thank you. Yes, Josephine, good evening. You understand? Inside all those stupid people will still get sense still there. Could you believe what they pass through since? Since when they come and they talk about support Onosage, I don't get many enemies. People they come and say, I be feel like you, I be feel they watch your live video, I not go watch again, I not like you again because you did support Onosage. I go come ask them say, what think Onosage do now? They go say, me, you don't see Onosage na thief. Does it mean not say Onosage sleep with people's wife? Does it not say Onosage na this, Onosage na that? I'll come ask them say, he thief you? They go say no. You sleep with your wife? They go say no. How you can't say no say na thief? How you can't no say they sleep with people's wife? And then they go say, go to social media now. People they talk about social media, say na thief, say they sleep with people's wife. but he never do am to you. Na just dey say. That time when I dey grow dey come. If something happen, you can't go talk am for outside. Say this thing, it happen. If you wan swear, he go say ina ya ge wo hu. Ina ya ge wo hu. Or we ama, iyeke we ama. But if ina ya ge wo hu, he go swear put. He go swear put. That is just it. Talk less of wetin person not do. And they turn and say, not be everything. And they come to present as own. If you see my topic there, I write Vera TV. One they call Vera TV. I go talk about her. Me, I finish about Jonosagi first. I go talk about that woman. You understand? So please, on that note, guys, I beg you all in the name of God, support, tell your people at home to vote wisely, because we don't too suffer. Soap don't to enter our eyes. It is time to take it back now, not tomorrow. We need to take it back now. Let us use our PVC, because our PVC is the only weapon to fight the corrupt politicians. Our PVC is the only key to open that good door. Tell your people, tell them to, if anybody give them money, make them talk say no to bribing and corruption. We need a better Edo State. We need Edo State of life go day as we dey enjoy am for abroad so. Road go day as we dey enjoy am for abroad so. Work go day as we dey enjoy am for abroad so. Security go day as we dey enjoy am for abroad so. As I dey this country when I dey so, I feel waka. I go waka from morning till night. I go enter house around 12 a.m. I go enter house around 1, 2, 3 in the midnight. Nobody go wala me. Nobody go tell me say na so, or come harass me, or come hold me for road, come thief my phone, or come thief my bag. E no dey. That our country when we for come, we fit try am. We fit waka freely for our country. We fit move on freely for our country. Ask yourself that question. You think say e no dey possible to waka freely for Edo State? You think say e no dey possible to get good road, to get good hospital, go hospital free of charge? If you want to give birth, you go there, you give birth free of charge. You get security, you get good to get good road. It's possible. It is very, very possible if we have the right leaders. If we have the right leaders, it is 100% possible. Oyibo, when they get all these things, not be say they get 2 head. God not create them, can't give them 2 head. Say may we will be black, more get 1 head. No. Now 1 head when you get as a black man, now Oyibo man get as a black, as a white man. Oyibo man not get 2 head. But they know what they do. I come every time they beg una. If John Osaige, una don't get misunderstanding before, it don't wrong una before. But please, forgive and forget. God in heaven, if you go fit forgive me and you our sin, who be we not to forgive one another? You know how many times you dey sin in a day? Many people will come in and say, John Osaige, I be like him before, but he's too pompous. He's too arrogant. He knows a bit of the people. My dear, Egba no one for. Leave those things. Nobody will not get pride. Nobody will not be arrogant. Nobody will not be pompous. Nobody. Not also because of that one, the good side of the person said, do not go see him. Even me and you know, say, some people go from this Europe, that time when I did Nigeria, they go from Italy or from Spain or from France, come Nigeria, come Edo State. They come they speak Yo man, yeah, yo man, fuck you man, yeah man. What they feel say yes na normal snaps whether they speak for abroad, whether they speak for Italy or for Spain or for France. But now when many of us come out for that Nigeria, come enter this European country, no come say that will not be language whether they speak for European country. Now only America. Now for America, now they speak yo man. You understand, guys? Me, I dey ask one question. All of us when they look ourselves, so we not deceive ourselves, we not lie to ourselves. We dey Europe here. Now Europe now we dey, so we never even go America. You go feel just live what you dey enjoy for this Europe so now. As you dey see like 24/7, you dey see good road, you dey see everything fine. You just live and just abandon am. Go stay for Edo State. Go stay for Nigeria. Just go stay for Nigeria. Make you dey do wetin Ambassador John Osagi dey do. You fit do am. Me, I no fit do am. I no fit do am because one, my life is at risk. No security. If they kill my enemy tomorrow now, nobody will, even the police, they are all corrupt. If you bribe police now, police don't cover the case. Two, if my enemy they sick, I no fit access government hospital. You understand? Three, no good road. Everywhere na erosion. Every day now they come and want to go mechanic. Four, the noise of generator alone, it go burst my brain. Then una come see person when abandon a comfort place, come go Nigeria, come go Edo State, go dey solve problem, go dey help people. Una dey criticize am. When we go wise, our youth, when we go wise, when we go say no to all those biggie belle politicians, when we go say no to all those TV Janko Rico, when we go say no to all those godfatherism, to all those oracle, when we go say no to them, we are the leaders of tomorrow. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Where we for don't lead? Nowhere. Now still all those old oracles still there. So please, let us love John Osagi. Let us support John Osagi to become the governor of Edo State. There is no hand in trying. There is no hand in trying. Some people they say, you know, as Edo State be, you know, as Nigeria politics be, even though say John Osagi win now, and they do one wuru in the night, and everything. Justice must prevail. Justice must prevail one day. We don't forget during Oshomole time, when Oshomole win, when they use wuru take do one, put Lucky Maso in there. But at the end, God prevail. Oshomole win and he can't enter there. So Muna not forget. If God say yes, no man can say no. And Muna not forget the God we serve, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of John Osagi, the God of Collins Osagi is not sleeping. Believe it or leave it. He's not sleeping. He dey look all of us. So that's why we'll talk down and reach for today. Now let me go to Vera TV. Vera TV. If I return and say all these presenters, some of all these presenters, now frustration, now depression, now lack of job, now lack of education, now they worry them. Many of them know they believe me. Who knows say Vera get this kind of big problem with her ever since then? Or thing when Fowl Nyash can open, they can't see everything. But she will come out, carry one leg, go Germany, carry your other leg go Austria. They advise people. They advise say take off your children. They advise other women. They laugh at other women. They insult other women. They insult other responsible women. Not be the useless kokobiri vandalizing women at the talk. The confirmed good women go they insult them. They insult the good men. Until they can't know say see wetin dey happen to them. See Vera children. See Vera children.
They give us money. Any money gets now they eat. They eat food like that again. Or anything the scenario they eat.
Do you go to school?
No, go to.
I use all to go school. All of us were there and no go school. My daddy say we no got money, we cannot say no get money. Before everybody no get money. I say my mom make sell money clothes, make it sell money, make it everybody shop. How could they argue for this village where everybody dey? We no get clothes, I no get bed. Na ground na all of us sleep. You see our room, we dirty. Nobody no fit enter our room. Our room dirty. Nobody fit enter. So
You know our bed is on 37. We just beg my mom and I send money for us. Because we send money, we fit buy clothes, we fit buy clothes and slippers because we don't get slippers and sandals. They send money for us when we to go school.
So your mommy don't leave you for a while now, Abi?
Yes.
Una see where Vera children they sleep. She go come out, they run her mouth. Not be only she, na so many of them be all these fake presenters. All these presenters, their own. Now Vera talk show. Now his children, now be those ones. She get 5 kids for house. She get 3 for year. I be 2 for year. Question when I dey ask. Some women, I don't know whether some women carry head not ground. Some women, you get five children for house, and you say that because of poverty, now make you come out for Africa, now make you come out for Nigeria, enter abroad. You reach abroad, you no even think as you further take off those 5 children. May you even jam better man, even though say na white. Or may you even find better work, may you work for Germany. May you take off your children. You say no. The next thing you run follow cassava again. You run follow cassava again when you know say you get 5 children, Vera. When you say you get 5 children for Africa, 5 not be God. I don't know where. Sometimes saying God, I know they blame you. I know they blame you, but I want to tell you one thing. People when need these children, we go take off these children. You know they give them if they define her. Why basically people when not need these children? People when not take off these children, now they give children. Baba God. I know they question you, but I just they talk my mind. Huh? You enter abroad. You know, say me you take off those 5 children first. Make them comfortable first. You run follow cassava again. You run follow that cassava now. You begin the bonbon again for abroad here. And when you know, say, once you just start to the bomb for this abroad when you did so, for this Germany when you did so, You know they easy again for you to take off those ones when in their house. You know they easy again for you to take care of those ones when in their house. Look those fine children now. Look those handsome boys. Those children can become the leaders of tomorrow. Then, children when you abandon, when you don't take care of, when they allow them, they pass through pain, then tomorrow, which one of them will come better tomorrow now, or come get money tomorrow? Then you come cry, come, I be na mama, oh, now waiting on papa they do me that time, now make me run, leave you now. Mona, no verse, my pikin. You are still my pikin, no verse, and forgive me. If not me, forgive you. Where you as a woman say he not let you stay, you run, but you leave your children there, make your children stay there. Where you as a woman say he not let you stay, this place not let me stay. Me I not go, me not go die for this house, for this with this husband when I dey with so make I run. You run, you can't leave little children when not even defend themselves. You can't leave them there. It's a big shame on you. You won't be that man when they do it. You won't be that woman when they do it. It's a big shame on you people. You as an adult, you don't fit defend yourself. You run, make you not go die. But you leave little children there. Little children will not fit defend themselves. Little children will not fit do anything. We just dead there. You leave them, you run, leave them. Then tomorrow you come beg me, say, sorry, you no. Now me when be that your picking, and me go. See where your children they sleep. Vera. I see this video, I cry. I see this video, I cry. I'm not listening to Vera. I'm not listening to Vera. I'm not listening to Vera. Wait, guys. Let me show you guys something. You come out, they talk for social media. Who they see you, they'll say see better person. They'll say see this good woman. They'll say this woman na very responsible person.
I see the thumbs up. I see the thumbs up if not there. My refans there because I know say my enemy still there. Everybody cannot like you. Of which I think happen be say when I new come abroad. So when I come, I don't know whether they send that money. You understand? So this my man. So now time I don't even get their father's number. Only number when I get now papa these children papa brother. Ojo, now I get the number. So I enter, now I say I don't enter. Send me your account. I want put money. Now it says send me account. I can't put. Ever since I call the put for her. But when the father come here one day, because say why you know they send me the money. My brother now you the same money of which he not supposed. Now
this one when you just day so you know even shake hand. Make you know say this end time presenters, some of these presenters one are they listening to for this Facebook, so they not get shame. They not get they call shame because of YouTube money, because of viewers. They not get shame. They not get they call one shame. This thing happened to Rana. She see they talk say, Mona give thumbs up. Mona give thumbs up. Now thumbs up now be your problem now. Now thumbs up be your problem now. And one thing when they vex me for all these stupid presenters, some of them. One thing when they vex me for them, they go say my fans. My fans. Who are your fans? Who are you to have fans? Who you be to get fans? Who you be? You be magician? You be actor or actress? Are you a comedian? Who are you to have fans? That is the question I keep on asking. Who are you to have fans? They go say, my fans, my fans. Don't call them your fans. Call them your viewers. Call them your viewers. Because those people, they are there to see your foolishness. Those people, they are there to see how you will disgrace yourself. Listen.
I'll give you my account, maybe they put, I can't reason now. Okay, I not reason wetin happen. I cause okay, no problem. So I can't. Now so I got they give this man one of they hear a voice that day. Now so I got they start to the sender money, call the sender money. So if I send this man money, what I say make you use and do, you know go use and.
Those children resemble children wey be say Vera they take care of. Una not see the room when for those of una when just they come now when me I quick show na the room again. Una not see the room.
Now we dey chop. The master don't wood now sef, no give us anything. Just come for where they give us money. Any money get now we dey eat. You know they eat good like that again. Or anything we see now we dey eat.
Do you go to school?
No ghost.
Everybody no go school. No go school. My daddy say you no got money, man. You cannot say no get money. You don't take when my mommy leave me. Before everybody no get money. I say my mom make you sell money cloth, make you sell money, make you everybody shop. How be the argue for this village where everybody dey? You no get cloth, I no get bed. Na ground na everybody sleep. You see nobody no fit enter our room. Nobody fit enter. So ayo.
You know our bed don't dirty sef. We just beg my mom and me send money for us. Money we fit buy clothes, we fit buy we fit buy clothes and slippers and sandals. They send money for us to go school.
So your mommy don't leave you for a while now, Abi?
Yes.
All these children is able person when their mama dey abroad. All these children, there's able person when their mama dey abroad. Look Vera. Look her. She may she never feel anything. Look her, she never feel anything. Look her. Ogba glass if you ho. Ogba glass if you ho.
When I go see pikin, I go tell am say, wait ask me you buy for this pikin. You no buy am for a buy phone for a me I dey hear for the case if you not dey there. This man want tell me. He say if me want to hear from them, I need to call him. Now I say he get as he be now, but I give you money. You not tell me say no go buy phone for a buy say for a give am my number me if you tell they call me. Now you say make I dey hear from you. I not still worry. I can see they send this man money. They send this man money. This man want you can't use me like any. Understand?
Yes, Christy, the kids are too cute. The kids are too cute. Those children, see, they need little touching. They need little touching. Just give them good food, give them good clothes, give them good accommodation. Those children, they are too handsome. Or make me an agualo. Onik be anagmo yagwa law. Then you see her, you dey misbehave, you dey fall your hand, Vera. You dey chook mouth for problem, for issue wey not concern you, they go. You go dey insult them. You see, you say take off your kids, you go dey insult them. You go dey insult them, they go. If you take off your children, not be me you do am for. Now yourself, now you do am for. If you not take off your children, now yourself, now you still do am for. Not be me. That is why if you not see me, when I come out, when I do program, I always dey talk about myself. Because I don't want to say tomorrow, person will come out and go say, go see him. He dey talk, he never marry, he never born, he never get girlfriend, even self. If the person come out like that, he can't talk, and it go be new thing. People come, they say, hey, so this guy just dey talk, he never get all these things. From day one, people when they follow me from day one, when they see me, I dey talk. Because why? If you come here tomorrow, say people they talk, you will say, he don't fair talk. He don't fair talk, not waiting, they talk every time for Facebook. Because why? I don't want to be a fake presenter. I want to be real. And to be real, you must start out from your body. You must start out from your household. You must let your viewers know you. That is why, as enemies, don't do reach for this social media. No one don't feel bring me down. No one don't feel bring me down. No one woman go talk to them and say, "Now so I chop her money in all day." No one woman go talk and say, "Now so she call me for video call. I can't carry my cassava. I can't show. I can't ask her say, show me your bekus in all day. In all day." Because if something like that don't day, you call the CBI, you call the what they call blackmail. Because when love go the sweet, everywhere go the suburb. But if argument, if quarrel don't come, now then you go know say that woman when they call you say, honey, sweetie mo, I love you, I do this. She go become your worst nightmare. That man, you say, honey, baby mo, I love you so much. He go become your worst nightmare. That is yours. That is why if you are coming out on social media, if you are a presenter, start from yourself. Start from your background. Start from your family. Let people, since you want to become a celebrity, since you want to become a public figure, since so many people announce you, since so many people know you, you have to tell them the truth about you. You have to tell them the truth about you. Because if you not tell them the truth about you, it could be a big issue tomorrow. Because what your name? Some of these presenters, they are mentally deranged. Their head not correct. Some of these presenters, their head not correct. They get brain problem. But now they go come out, come they talk rubbish. Let me read my brother Isabella. Okay, my lady Isabella. You say you are right, bro. The kids are cute. Okay, those kids are father. Vera should find a way to get a touch with her kids. Okay, touch with her kids direct. Since her ex-husband is not helping out or spending money she sent to them. Okay, let me tell you something, Isabella. Vera, she get family, her own family. Vera, she gets sister, she gets brothers. She'll get family. Majority of them unless she ne mama and the papa born. If you send money give your ex-husband not they use money to take off your children. Your sister Oko? Your brother Suko? What are we saying? This woman, she's lying. This woman, she's lying. That is just the truth. This woman not they send anything. Me and you know, say, if you fair get children for Africa, you can't enter abroad. You not work, take care of those children. You not marry Oyibo or friend Oyibo, take care of those children. You can't begin the bonbon here for this abroad. So for this Germany when she did so, it's very difficult for you to take care of those ones when they have. Mostly if you marry black man. Mostly if you marry black man. The black man will tell you, say, come, I never be take off my children when you born for me here. Now I'm going to take off on that my children when you born for Africa. We even see some situation where we say woman will fair born for man for this European would day so. Then maybe with the man when he fair born for no day, he can't go they marry another man. We they see the way when some of the men when they will go marry again go take care of those children anyhow. We they see the way we be say some of those men when they go marry again go to take care of those children anyhow. Now man, now woman marry man. As she married the man, the woman first get one daughter for a past relationship. So the house when the man rent, now 2-bedroom flat. So the man and the woman, they one. The girl, she was about, I think, 14 or 13 years. So the girl come dey one room, the other room. Could you believe, say, this man, because this woman does still born, he don't born for the new relationship when she did so. Then this man I can't tell her wife, say, come, this your pikin when you first born for another man. Tell her make she leave that room, make she dey sleep for parlor. I want give that room heart to tenant. Now the woman comes and say, if you give this room heart to tenant, my pikin when I first born for another man, I sleep for parlor. Now the man say, it not concern me. Now me you born her for. Now the woman say no. But if I not born her for you, now stay your pikin. Now the man say, I don't tell you. Now the woman come tell the man say, okay, even though make me they pay you for that room, if not so, make my daughter they stay for the room. The man say no. He don't want me to get they stay for that room. Now this woman come tell the man say, you know say this girl now is about 13 and 14 years, and the person who you want to give this room to now boy. What if we not come their house? The boy come dey vandalize this my daughter. Wait till you go talk. The man when he dey with so say, he not concern me if you like me they vandalize her. He not concern me after all not be my daughter. You understand? Now the woman say, no, I can't take this rubbish. Now the woman take call police. You don't know as the law they work here now. Now police tell the man say, as you they leave this house, so give us some meters. Not come around this house again. Now let it drive the man for the house. But if now some women, he go say the first one when I first deal with, I born one for her. I can't come on. This second one again now, I just still born one for her. I can't still come out again. I beg if I so many pikin they sleep for parlor. And if na some when be say cassava dey sweet, they will say because pikin when I don't feel born for another man, I can't leave my husband. I can't leave this cassava. No, if na so many pikin dey sleep for parlor, anything will happen to them, say me happen to them. But it's only a real mother, only a real woman that can take that decision that woman took. Only real mama will know, say yes. Sense complete for that will take that decision. Look at Vera. And where Vera for get luck, say all those children, say they be boys, they not be girls. If those children are girls, as they're small, so we trust our country now. Yes, gift. The man is a wicked man. There are so many, even in Africa and Europe. There are so many. Not be the turn many of our beautiful sisters to single mothers for abroad. When we say most of our sisters now to date black guy na problem, to even marry black guy na problem. Because waiting all those brother wey mumu, all those brother wey dey scotch all those idiot foods. My God, because we see they do our women. I know say some women not still good like Vera. Vera, she's not a good mother. If I tell people say, me when I keep myself, so me when I keep myself, I know why I keep myself. Now Italy nowadays, to get woman for Italy here, sleep with, give belly, tell her say go train the pikin alone. It's very easy. It takes you nothing. It takes you nothing. It's very easy. But if you be man when a head complete, if you be man when warm the shuffle for a belly, you go know say that is not the right way to go. You know say that is a bad decision to make. That is just the truth. A man when the head correct not go make that decision. Say, me I give this one belly, send her go Germany. Me I give the other one belly, send her go France. Me I give the other one belly, send her go Austria. Man when food, when one they show food for a belly, no go think like that. Now all those useless men. That's why they see some people they talk, go sit down. You will not get woman. You will never even marry. You will never even born. You will never even get girlfriend. Go and sit down. I better pass una. Many of them will depend on women. Many of them will never work since when una born. Una never work. Since when I enter this abroad, una never work. Always una sabi na to do fine boy. Green leaves. They find woman because one they suck, they go. They collect money from them. They turn our women to single mother. They say that they go different places. A real man, stand for yourself. I know say yes, women get upper hand for abroad. I know say yes, now women had they help men. But are you a good man? If that woman help you finish tomorrow, you go marry that woman. If that woman help you finish tomorrow, you go stay with that woman. If that woman help you finish tomorrow, you not go run follow those big yash? Is a question. That is why most of our women, they are afraid. Many of them want to help you as their boyfriend, as their husband, as their love. But tomorrow, when they don't help you finish, what you want to pay them back? Not to turn them to single mother. Not to abandon their children. I give God the glory. Woman not they feed me if they break. Take off myself. I do my things myself. That is why since when they come out, I they talk, and if any woman knows say I don't chop your money, come up and show me they are talking. Call my number. Call my number. As I did on live broadcast, so call my number. Just call her. Tell people say, I don't chop your money. You know they. You know they. But how many of our presenters go fit come out, talk say, me woman come and say, come talk say I never spend money for me. You go see say, guess all of them go they call. It don't chop my money, oh, na central, na this, na that. Because why? They don't want to use hands to do. Because why? They be fake people. That is why I teach one topic that and say, no talk say because of your friends they marry, may you go marry. Not just because your friends they born, may you go born. Because those your friends, ask them who they take off the family. Now the woman. Waiting make them born. Waiting make them run follow that woman. Now because of the woman money. You go see young boy now. You go your sleep. You go your pass sleep. Enter the other side. You see young boy now. You go the walk out for street. You go your fall. It don't finish. Not be all of them wish they cause. Many of them are waiting, they use their hands take cause. Many of them are the women money when they don't chop. You know, we no matter about you, Kina. You as a man, man, don't chop woman money, chop. At the end, they come to the woman say, go to her, burn to hatches, go do what you want to do. The woman go say, she go laugh. You go say, okay, me I go do what I want to do. Okay, no problem. Everywhere good. They go. But what base no 7 sewe. That word, only that word alone. What base no 7 sewe. What base no 7 sewe. You dey see this man now. You dey see this man rest Mavi. You say, why are you talking like a newcomer now? You dey see you. You dey see you. People like you now they talk to so. Bro, if you dey do am, change. Not be our sister. Not be black like us. They say mo kon gbe mi oko. Ave bo yan khae. Ave bo yan khae. If you not love woman, let her know say I not love you. If you not want date woman, let her know say I don't want to date you, but if you get any help when you want help me, just help me. If the woman can carry how many euro give you, say I take help you. If that woman swear, if that woman do anything, it not go reach where you dey. That is just the truth. But what I fight against, not deceive person when you don't love, say you love her because of the money. I know see many people go, when I already dey against me, say they support about John Osage. More than they against me, I'm not saying. But the truth have to be said. If me I dey fear to talk the truth, the other person dey fear to talk the truth, who want to talk the truth? Our sisters, how we want to rescue our sisters from all this bondage? How? If woman want help you, do you know one thing? Women, they are easy to love. They're very easy to love. That is just the truth. They're very easy to love. And they're very easy to kill. So men, mono if you say we're too smart. Mono if you say we're too smart. Woman, when you put for house, you dey feel say you smart. At the end, you go work, come back. She go cook, you go eat. If the woman want kill you, she don't kill you. And women, if una see man when start with una, more they believe say all men are central. Not be all men be central. That is just the truth. You date with man, or you and man they talk, or you and man they date. When they date for at least a year, 2 years, even 6 months, even 4 months, even 2 months, even a month. Problem hold the man. You yourself not say na problem na hold this man. This man not be like this. This man never ask you money before. Then if the man just ask you money that once, you go say, hey, I talk and say na money na he want. I don't know because of money he come. Na central he be. Na central. No. That man will not be central. That man will not be central. But because of that situation when that man just dey, because of that thing when hook that man at that period, now make the man ask you. You understand? Not be all men for abroad, not be like they be central. You understand? Because maybe Joy boyfriend, he chop Joy money, he not Joy central, he can't dump Joy. Then you when you use year, you go say no, any boy when you come my way, all of them are central. Now she go take miss your future husband. If you believe that for your mind, now she go take miss your future husband. If central meet Joy, it not mean say central will still happen to you. That is just the truth. Ezogbowan ame aye won. And you, if you will not fit jam central guy, when we say central guy don't chop your money, don't do you change it. That will not mean say me you stop loving. Keep on loving. That is just the truth. So that brought me back to Vera issue. Vera, for you, I want you to go and take off your kids. If maybe you say the man is a lazy man, the man no want work, but don't forget, me and you know as that Nigeria be. Me and you know as that Edo State be. If you won't go school to see work na problem. Which work dey? You be tailor, you be barber, you be hairdresser, you go store, you not see light, take work. How you want to get money? God help you. You follow Libya, follow that river, enter abroad. Now because of those kids, now may God save you. Now may God help you enter abroad when you did so. Why you want to forget about those children? Why you want to forget about those handsome kids? Why you don't want to help them? Why you don't want to remove them from poverty? You see edge stay looking for that poverty, but you leave your children there to suffer. Which is very, very wrong. Because they say now who vomit. Now see me they see what he eat. If I say you take off those your children, I not believe say Mama Gladys or Africa German First Lady go carry them come out. Go come they say make people donate to help them. I not believe. You enter abroad, you enter Germany. Your children matter no, it not cash you. Waiting problem when it cash you na cassava. You run follow black boy cassava again. You born one, you born two. At the year now see there's not 3 now you get for year. When you get 5 for house. How you want to take off these ones when they here? Can't go take off the ones when in the house. You dey lie. Now so you the same way they go they give their papa not they use her. It doesn't say they carry women. Those children is able children when they live where. Those children is able children when be say you dey the same money go they give. Your ex-husband not good. What about your family members? All of them not just still good. If all of them not good, why you not find person? So okay, how the same way they call they give you every month. If na even God send foundation, if na our foundation, tell those children say, more na go God send foundation. We get house where we go put them. The same when you go there, they take off them, now we need. They support them, now we need. They go fit go free school. They go fit they eat for school. We fit take off them where? Why you not doing? Why you not doing Vera? You dey talk for your platform and I see the shame for those people who go dey listen to a person like that. Person wey be say no fit take off in your children. Wetin you want tell you when go enter your head? Wetin that kind of person want tell you when you go dey press $sign, dey press thumbs up for YouTube? Wetin that kind of person want tell you when you go subscribe to a YouTube channel? Me, I don't even know whether some set of fake presenters they would exist. I don't even know. Or till some of their issue go come out, waiting they be covered when they say me person don't know, or till person don't come know before me go even know say this person they will talk for YouTube or they talk for Facebook. I don't even know who can be this one again. That is just it. Because I don't know whether many of them they would exist because of their lie, because of the kind of lie where they talk, till they get viewers, till they get commenters. I don't even give a fuck about them anymore. I don't give a fuck about them anymore. This my viewers when they look me so I'm okay. If you can share the video, you share. If you cannot still share the video, no problem. Una reach me. I'm not saying because I need 1,000 viewers, I'm not going to lie. I'm not saying because I need 1,000 viewers, I'm not going to bring people down. When be say my own dey my body, I no fit solve my own. I wan come solve your own. I want to solve am. Vera when no fit take off your children now. You can't tell you say you want to take off your own children. You not believe say that thing where they talk say na lie. So my people, make we wise. All this one when they use Mary Kay, rub Mary Kay, come draw eyelash, draw one leg, go Japan, draw one, go Africa, come tie igele, come put with one for you, come dress fine. My dear, they be liars. That's what some of the men still be. They be liars. Look at our brother right there now. When he come out from Italy here, he go UK. He leave wife and children for house. He go UK, go dey dance with that woman for UK. That one they give her yansh, man, he dey hold yansh. That one they talk say, his wife understand. His wife understand. That kind of person now go come tell you say, na so you will believe. And they shame when people go they look those kind of persons. But not be on fault because most of una they see what they see, they fool themselves. What they see, they mumu themselves. What they say, they bring themselves down. Yes. That is just the truth. That is why I don't go blame una. Look Vera now. Look Vera. 5 children for house. You come abroad now. You not think as want to take care of those children. You begin to born again here. As you be now, Vera. Now children be your problem. That 5 boys not reach you. Even though you say you don't want to born again, say maybe you don't want to give birth again for your life. You don't want to give birth again. Those 5 children reach you. Those 5 children, it reach you. If now those 5 children, then you just they also for this side now, go they take off. I go they happy. You just enter abroad, you just enter Europe, you never even sit down, you never even drink water, drop cup, you begin to carry belly again, begin the bonbon. You want turn to mother of all nations. You want a bonbon. As that my brother singer that time, he said they go the bonbon. It's a big shame. And you, Vera ex-husband, let me give you this message. I know say Nigeria they hard. I know say Nigeria, it get as it be. But oh God, that room where those children they sleep, it be like where mad. I'm sorry, you. It be like where mad person they live. That kind of room, those children fit get infections. Those children fit get infections. Do you understand? At least, even though say you not still get money, you still try and make the room they neat. Make the room see they neat. And if those children, if they be geeks, trust me, they for they vandalize them, they just they vandalize them. I trust my people. You know what vandalizing they just they vandalize them anyhow. God when he say Vera now say they be boys. And Vera not forget, those boys they go use blow. If they see you tomorrow, they go use blow to burst one of your eye. I they tell you. That time your eye go clear. That is just the truth. That time your eye go clear, Vera. You abandon your ex-husband, fine. You say the man not good, the man is lazy, the man don't want to work. Let us play this thing.
And you know what? As in this man come they want they use me because they see money, want they command me, and I get man. You understand? I still get man, not disturb spend money, give this man. I still born, not see it stop me for here, not to give this man money. You understand? You know, still stop me to give this man money. I call they give her money, they give her money. The thing can't tire me one day. I can't call my elder sister. I can't say, sister, I beg. Those children, Papa, I they give them money. I they give her money. But that money, you know, they use her the way I want her. Now my sister can say, he get as it be, but waiting there, see they give her their Papa. If you like, you use and finish, now you go still take care of them. I can say, no, sister.
Vera, do you have proof? Do you have proof that you sent your ex-husband? You dey send that money, you dey send down, they send down, because now now where they for the pluck money, now you for the work for Germany. So you dey send down, Do you have any proof or any receipt or anything to show or say yes, you truly send that money that time? That is one. Continue.
I don't think they give this man money. Me not they use am the way I like. Not his sister because now woman.
Why, if you can't they give her money, you know they use her well. Why you not can't they give that money to that your sister when you they call? And before you they give that man those money when you talk, you make your sister as a weakness. Say, sister, oh, I want to give this my ex-husband money, me to take up my children. Oh, I take you as a weakness. If I send the money come, I go sit there and say, sister, I don't send her money. Oh, if they like that, the answer is no. Continue.
That is sister go fit, they help me, they use the money the way I want them. So my sister tell me, say, no, not do like that. Make that man not go the verse. Not do like that. They give her any I like. If you like, you use and finish today. Truth I did.
Your sister tell you, say, make you they give your ex-husband. Make your ex-husband not on the vex. You have no damn fucking business with your ex-husband. People, when you get issue with, when you get business with, now be your kids, your children, now you get business with. So anybody when you give money, may take off your children. You're not supposed to concern your ex-husband. Talk less of say your ex-husband will come the vex. More like listen to Vera.
Talk so. If you like, you use and finish today, now you go see take care of the children. So of course they start to give this man money. You understand me? So I could start to give this man money, they give this man money, but the man still refuse. He no one do what I did.
Yes, Jokes David, you dey hear am? He dey address his kids when they Nigeria as those children instead of my children. You dey hear am? I tell you say this better. If I tell you say most of these fake presenters when they come out, they say they be motivational speaker, they be this, they be that. Many of them carry head na ground. Many of them na loneliness. They don't see better cassava when scatter their bekus. They don't see waiting the one is their time to do. The pressure they worry them. Different things they worry them. Every day they come and they swap for social media. Listen.
You understand me? Is this continue waiting? Is still they do now? Waiting convert.
Also, now the year. If not the year, the something. Una come, I will call you later. If not they hear me, una feel right. Say una they hear waiting. She they talk. So if you want call in, I believe so. I know the number to call in on WhatsApp or direct. So una feel call in to give una contribution.
Buy phone, do it as make you do. You know go do one. The thing converse me. Now I got a pause for some time. When it come be say wahala come like that. You understand the way problem come. Because I know they give money. I say no. If you want me, I they bring the money. Go open account for this speaking. Make I they put up or find another person for me. I don't want to give you the money. They use until they carry women. Because if I want to talk to the children, go say what they talk for them. I want to ask the question. Go say what they lie for them. You go collect the phone. You go cut and go say now all the days that they do this kind of thing. Not be this kind era life. Not be this kind of life. Not be your place for come here. Not be your house. Not be you carry me come here. Say come work money come give me. You don't know how I enter. I enter myself. But I not see follow what happen. I still because of my children they bring something come. But this man is trying to prove smartness on me. So I said no, it's not going to happen. So now so that one can't go. So I call pause. I call say I not go send the money. Now this man take find my people number. Begin they lie. Begin they talk everything. They lie. So I can't look and I say give this video a thumbs up. I not say my enemy fool yet. If you are my
una le yera. No worry yegbe. Okete. You know they feel am. You see they talk about thumbs up. Give video a thumbs up. Give some women, I'm sorry to say not all women because there are good and lovely women out there. Some women, they be very useless people. Like this one so.
Fans, give this video a thumbs up. What I'm saying is nothing but the truth. So now what make me come that when my sister come say no, you not supposed like that. This one that come say no, this man too do me. Make you go find another person. I don't feel they give my money, they carry women up and down. You go see, if person they pound the you they see her for more strength go there with you to the pound and more and more. Obviously, they do something. Be like say I know they do. This man they use the money just say they do. You know they take care of himself. Just they carry women do anything.
Who be your weakness? How you tell no say the man they use when they carry women? Who be your weakness? Say yes, you should send this man money. Where the teller, where the receipt? Vera, make you the shame, make you the shame.
When hungry, the thing was so touched. Never. Oh, yeah, good evening. Never. I'm not going to give this man penny. Yes, that is the reason why I stop. You understand? So now the reason why I stop, and I want you.
When you can't stop, which other person? Let's assume say yes, say she can't stop. Which other person? Your family members, the man family members. Which other person? You can't begin to give the money. Say they take off my children. You stop. Who go suffer? Now your children go suffer. Not be the man. Now your children I go suffer. Now make disgrace start so. Now make disgrace enter your body so Vera. That is just the truth.
Use this opportunity to tell people on social media there are some things to hear. Don't carry it personal. Not carry and come they talk because you don't know.
This one pass the one that they carry personal. This one pass the one that they carry personal because this one involves children. This is the life of children. This is the welfare of kids. So everybody get right to talk about her, to talk put, to tell you to go take off your kids. Because I remember one time when we say, Faye talk this thing that time. He can't tell you say, find person, if not be your husband, find person when we say go they help you to take off your children. When you go the same money they give every month. You say you hear. If you can't tell you say make you swear, you can't swear. Since then, when a friend tell you that thing, did you do it? The answer is no. Vera, make you let shame they catch you. Make you let shame they catch you. Because you don't make the mistake long time ago. Now, when you new enter Europe, you for never even start to give birth. You will first settle the ones when they house. You will first settle the ones when they house before you start to give birth. You will first find Oyibo when be say he go give you money or when he go help you. Then you take off those ones when in their house. Before you begin to born for one black guy here. That is just the truth. So let me read my sister gift. You may say this Vera not even get shame. Yes, they get shame. Ekwe muya rokpa. Yan wa belzio media na yan ibumbo ni wazuo ni waskos koberere. Ekwe muya rokpa. They not get shame. They get shame. They not get shame me. Not be she still come out for live video they talk. She will still come out today. They talk. It's just a pity way. Ekwe moji. Okay. Upon everything, she still came out. They talk. Now what? Now wow. For some people, yes. Now what for some people? You know they do anything for your children. You know they do anything for your children. It's not helping his children because those kids. Let me show the video. For the last time, before I end this broadcast, for the sake of people who they join us now.
This why.
They live anything we see now with the chop. The myself don't wood myself, you know, because anything don't get around and that anytime you come for where they give us money, any money gets now they eat, you know they eat good like that again. But anything we see now they eat.
Do you go to school?
No, ghost.
Everybody no go school. All of us were there and no go school. My daddy say no got money, my grandma say no get money. Don't take when my mommy leave me. Before everybody no get money. I say my mom make he sell money cloth, make he sell money, make he everybody shop. How be dey argue for dis village where everybody dey? We no get cloth, I no get bed. Na ground na all over the sleep. You see our room, e dirty. Nobody no fit enter our room. Our room dirty. Nobody fit enter. So ayo.
You know our bed don dirty sef. We just dey beg my mummy now make send money for us. Because we send money, we fit buy clothes, we fit buy clothes and slippers because we no get slippers and sandals. They send money for us to go school.
So your mommy don't leave you for a while now, abi?
Yes.
See room where people they sleep. See room where children they sleep. See room where children they sleep. Vera children, see room where they sleep. I they cry. I they cry for Vera. See room where children they sleep. See room. Now room where we say Vera children they sleep. Now be that one. Ema de bungo alomo. Iya mamie. Wanosalo ba yo mona. Wa yin gba kiyeye. Wa yin ya gbe yo gbere. Wa yin ya ku yo kure. Ema ni bun iya mego be na me iya mami omo bie. Wanosalo ba ye na one about to appreciate God. Say Baba God you do well. No reason until they play. No the use them until they play. It's a big pity on you. Some women will not know the value of children. Una can't forget say biomo or more give a bioma. But pikin when you don't take care of in your old age, I want to help you. That is just the question. That is just the question. And una when they run follow woman, say carry belle go bon here. They run follow woman call waiting you again. Now God go punish many of una. In short, now God go punish all of una. Not be many of una. Now God go punish all of una. And for you as a woman, we be say, you just get belle. You not love that man. At the end, but you want to leave that pikin for that man. Only that man the trainer they go. Now God will still punish all of una. Now me they talk on. Because children are blessings from God. Children are blessings from God. If you know say you don't get the resources, if you know say you never fit take off your children, not born. Leave the woman, make she go. If you don't ready, born. Not when you can't born finish, you can't run leave your children. It is very, very bad. Now me talking. If you like, insult me after the video. If you like, thank me. No problem. But wait till my man. Now they talk. Keep yourself. Not me say you be mumu. Because why? You know why you keep yourself. Because no one is only woman turn to single mother. So that is just it. So Vera, before I end Jesus now war for people still dey life you this. Okay, still they live like this for Nigeria. God please help those children. Yes, God please help those children. The advice I want to give, if those children or any of their guardians if una fit relocate and go God sent office, then we'll help them there. You understand? So that is just it. And Vera, any presenter when you talk for this matter, not insult them because now use your hand to do. And una when you be fake presenter when they come out they talk anyhow for social media, when they go come out una can't do like this. Now so God go see the disgrace una. Erief efano namotia ya lawa yagbe. Otin una change una way. Otin una use una own self. Take start. Otin una talk about the one we do on our body. Before I go they talk about on that person you understand? Because some of una husband and wife go they quarrel wa gwan oru wa gbe wa ni bun le presenter wa ni bun wa mo double wa ni bun single mother wa hin wa ni bun wa mo ko wa ni bun single father wa hin but wa mi oge rove wa mo yan ono se no vena la wa gbe. So Vera, I would not like to come and talk to you again. Go and take off your kids. If your ex-husband they eat your money, your sister they, the man family they, find that person they give money or call me or Call God send office. We go to take off the children. Then everywhere go good. But this one way they do so, I don't like am. Go and take off your kids. They are your blood. They are your children. Because as you leave those children there, so tomorrow make God not let bad thing happen. They can go join one gang or they can go join court. Now big problem for you. Now big problem for our society. Now big problem for our nation. Now big problem for Nigeria. So we don't need that. We don't want that. That is just it. So I remain your boy. I remain your friend. And before I go, please guys, when they send me message, they tell me say una need help, I not be Ambassador John Osagie. Me na Europe now dey. I not dey Nigeria. You understand? Because some of una dey feel I be Dion Osagie. I am not Dion Osagie. I am Collins Osagie. Because I don't explain to so many persons. Because so many persons they send me message, bros, you are going for the post of a governor, bros, we are with you, bros. Thank you all. I love you all, but I'm not Ambassador Dion Osagie. I'm Ambassador Collins Osagie. You understand? That is my new name now. So please try to reach Ambassador Dion Osagie so that your information and everything you go fit see am quick and fast. Because maybe sometimes I not quick see your informations. You understand? So please. So if you want to send me message on my own personal, my own. Just send me message say this message is going for Ambassador Collins Osagie. Not right say Baba, we just say they go for governor. Baba, I need this. Baba, I want this. Baba, I want to discuss with you about politics. Baba, I want to tell you this. Baba, I want to do this. Baba, no. I'm not John Osagie. Walawo. I love you all. I respect you all. I thank you for sharing my video. I thank you for watching my video. I thank you for your comment. I thank you for everything. So please subscribe to Collins God Pikin on YouTube. And those of you who don't subscribe, God bless you all and remain blessed. Till I come your way again, remain blessed and support Ambassador Dion Osagie for governor. We need to take it back now. We need to take it back now. Thank you. God bless. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.